So to begin the round, we insert the hook at the base of this stitch, which is actually the chain, so that insert it there. And draw up a loop and finish a slip stitch. What we're doing is crocheting over the foundation chain. Then we chain 2, 1, 2, and single crochet onto the stitch, inserting hook like this. And it splits, so be careful not to split the yarn. And make a single crochet into the stitch and over the ring. So chain 2, single crochet into the stitch and over the foundation chain. Chain 2, single crochet into the stitch and over the foundation chain. Chain 2, single crochet into the stitch and over the foundation chain, and repeat all around. You have to point the crochet hook toward the opposite hand that's not holding the hook to get it between the strand of yarns that you want to insert it in. That's how it looks at the back. So I'll meet you toward the end of this round. But because my total number of spaces is odd, I need to remove this space. So instead of making chain 2, I do not make that at all. Instead, I slip stitch on the beginning loop. So this is treated as a stitch now. So that removes one extra space. Recheck that the total number of spaces turns up even. Starting here, where my hairpin is, I'm gonna count like we did before. So it should end right here. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and so on and so forth, and I'll meet you toward the end of the counting. When the count is correct, then start round 1. The shell stitches of the skirt are going to be done exactly the same as when we did the bell of the sleeves. So for this skirt, you will repeat the instructions given for making the bell of the sleeves from round 1 to round 2, and then after round 2, you will repeat round 2 over and over until you reach the desired length of your skirt. Link to that tutorial is given below on the comment line.